What's up, guys? We're back at a shithole. We're about to throw the yaks in. We got people coming up. This is really awkward holding the phone, but we're gonna do it anyways. It's not a phone, it's GoPro. About to get out here and see what we can do. We'll be back.
Super fragilistic. Just have to fucking play her by ear.
Don't let the gators get you, huh?
Yeah. Dude, what a strange place.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God, Hawk. Is it? Do you see this?
Yeah, what the fuck is it?
I'm scared to pull it up.
Catfish.
Dude, that's a... Oh.
Bowfin?
Bowfin.
Hell yeah, look at that bowfin, baby. Yee yee.
Thank you for taking yourself off.
It's got serious what? Yeah, it's wild in here, man. I don't know about you, but oh. That's a bass. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Not very big, but by God, look at there. TDF. Look at. See you, buddy. 7 pounds. 7 pounds. 7'4". I'm coming at you. Hot.
Titanic.
Dude.
What a fight. Oh my God, dude. I'm waiting on this gator to come up and eat him right off my hook. Oh, whoa, whoa. He's gonna fuck around and jump in the boat with me. Bro, he's gonna jump in the boat with me. You stupid bitch.
That's 2. I got them both on camera.
Hell yeah. I'm leaving. I don't want to be here no more. I tried to fish it yesterday. That's where I got hung up and lost my bait. What's this thing up there in that bushes? Right here. It's big, whatever it is. And if it starts moving, I'm gonna leave you. That's where the monster's at, right there. There he is.
Is he?
Yep, I got something biting me.
Hell yeah.
Oh. Let's go, hidden bayou for the win. Whoa, look at that fucking, that's 3 all day. 3, he's heavy. Oh dude, look at that. TDF Outdoors in the swamps, the bayou, bucket mouth baby.
I'm still gonna say 2. Oh,
2.9, right on the dot. 2.9.
so big it's holding me.
We're gonna go with 2.9, baby. 2.9. TDF Outdoors, baby. Big old bass in the yaks, baby. Go get him, killer. Oh boy, right there on the fucking bush hog. TDF Outdoors.
Wow, this place is not as bad as I thought. I have settled down a bit. Bass! That's what we're here for.
Let's fish, baby.
Yep. Nope. Yee yee. TDF Outdoors, that's what we do.
All right, guys, TDF Outdoors. That wraps up that day. It was a pretty good day. Wasn't expecting bowfin, but that's what was here, so that's what we got. A couple bass. Scared shitless. I know I was. Short day, but fun to say the least. Definitely an adventure. Yeah, that's about it. If you would, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your little notification bell so you can keep up to date with the videos that we keep posting. We got some interesting stuff coming in the soon future. Yeah, we're out.